Hello friends, welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be a little bit different from a lot of my videos lately. But I decided to take a little bit of break from my cleaning content and give you guys a favorites video of just some of my recent favorites that I have been enjoying over the past couple of months. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope that it's okay, and I know that some of you may be missing my cleaning content, but I promise it will return next week. But I just wanted to share these things with you guys because I know that some of you guys don't follow me on Instagram, so I figured I would just show you guys on here. So yeah. Before we get started, don't forget to go down and hit the subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. And also, don't forget to go and follow me over on Instagram. And yeah, let's just get into me showing you my favorites. Some of these things are like beauty related, I guess. And then a couple of them are just like things that I have found that I have been enjoying. So I got this little beach garden sun hat thing at Walmart. Stick it on my head so you can see. So it's just a little, it's not necessarily a sun hat because I feel like it's not big enough to be a sun hat, but it's kind of like a garden hat type of situation. But it is from Walmart. It's from the Time and True collection. But it also has, oh, I'm untying it, a little tie so you can like adjust this piece for it to fit your head, which was nice the other day when we went swimming because it was trying to fly off my head from the wind. So but yeah, I think it was like $8, and it worked really well the other day to just kind of keep the sun off of my face, which was nice because if you saw last week's video, I did burn my lips really badly and my face got a little bit burnt. So this was nice to keep the sun off my face. So the next thing I have been enjoying is this book. I have taken the plastic thing off of it. I'm gonna go grab that. But yeah, so I took the like the cover part of it off. But before I show you that, I just want to let you know that this is the Midnight Sun, which is the 5th book to Twilight. So this is like the Edward's perspective of Twilight, which is this book here. It does a horrible reflection, sorry. But yeah, so I just took this sleeve thing off because I feel like it gets ruined really easily, so I just keep the book like this so that I don't ruin the cover of it. But yeah, so I'm not too far into the book, but so far I'm enjoying it. I do know that I'm a little old to be reading Twilight. But I remember when Stephanie Meyers was going to release this book, and I remember her saying that she wasn't going to release it, or the release was indefinite because someone had like I don't know what the word is, but like released the part of the book without her knowing, and I just felt really sad that I didn't get to read it then. So I bought it and I'm now reading it. I also figured it would be something that I would enjoy reading. I've been trying to read a little bit more than be on my phone all the time. Because I feel like I need to stimulate my brain. with something other than my phone or my computer. So yeah, so I have been reading this. I have been enjoying it. Like I said, I don't know if you can see my bookmark, but I'm only 52 pages into the book, which is like, I'm just barely started chapter 3. So I'm not the fastest reader, but I've also just gotten to the point where I'm only reading like an hour a day, or I try to at least do a chapter, and I just barely started reading this. But so far, I am enjoying this book. So I thought I'd share it with you guys. So the next thing is this, just this plain V-neck shirt. It's really cute. It's really lightweight. I was looking for just something summery, just a lightweight short sleeve shirt. Again, this is from Walmart. It's from the Time and True collection, and it's just really cute, and I thought I'd share it with you because I'm like really into this like dusty rose pinky color. I don't even know what color this is. Pinky rose color. But I did get this in like a blue, like periwinkle blue color. Also, just because I really like these lightweight short sleeve shirts to kind of keep the sun off your shoulders and stuff. So yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you. So these next two items, again, if you watched last week's video, you'll know that I got some really bad cold sores on my lips from my lips getting sunburned and being cracked and damaged. So I ended up with quite a few cold sores. And I just wanted to show you the two products that really helped them to heal really quickly. As you can see today, they're practically healed now, so I'm really happy about that. So the first thing is this Aquifer. I have no idea how to, I don't know if it's even in focus, how to say that, but this is a lip repair. This just kind of helped get rid of the dryness and like the crispiness of my lips, because I still had that even with the cold sores. So this was just kind of like a relief, keep my lips moisturized, things like that. But the other thing, the thing that like really helped clear them the most, like really helped heal them, and I've never tried this stuff before, which I am so happy that I decided to try this, but is the Abreva, let's see, the Abreva Cold Sore and Fever Blister Treatment. This stuff is amazing. Like, I don't know, I don't know why I've never tried it before, but this stuff is great. It really helped, because usually for me cold sores last 2.5 weeks before they even begin to look healed. And my lips right now, from when I got it, so I got the cold sores last Tuesday and it's Wednesday, so 8 days, and this is what it looked like. And I stopped using this on Friday, so I feel like this is just the bomb.com. So I just thought I'd share it with you. And I know I'm old for saying that, so yeah, this is awesome. Okay, so the next thing I'm pretty sure I have shared in a favorites before, and so I just wanted to share it with you again, which is this Victoria's Secret Tease like body spray. Yeah, so I actually have 2 of these bottles. I wanted the like normal perfume, but it was like $50, and I didn't want to spend $50 on a Victoria's Secret perfume. So I found this as I was going through like the checkout line. It smells the same, it's literally the same thing, but I got 2 of these for $35, and these are 8-ounce bottles. And so I was like, I'm just gonna get that. So like for practically almost half the price, I got way more liquid. So I'm happy about that. And I love it. It smells fantastic. So if you ever wanted the teas, but you didn't want to pay the price for the fancy perfume, get this. This is where it's at. This is what's happening right here. But yeah, just wanted to share this. I'm pretty sure I shared it in a favorites or a video of some sort before, so definitely this is cool. I like that. So the next thing that I have is this Sweet Pea Bath & Body Works lotion. I got this because this is the scent I used to wear when I was in high school. I used to have like body spray and everything, and I just felt nostalgic and wanted to get this this lotion. I really like it. It makes me smell good, and it's just nostalgic to me, so I thought I'd get it. So yeah, this one is just a 24-hour moisture body lotion, shea butter, and vitamin E. So makes everything nice and moisturized and stuff. So I just wanted to share it with you. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so the next thing is something I actually discovered a couple of weeks ago. I have really sensitive skin on my legs, and so when I shave my legs with just regular shaving cream, I get really bad razor burn, and I couldn't figure out any any solution to the problem. Like to the point that they were getting really itchy when my hairs would grow back. And I was using another like sensitive skin shaving cream, but it just wasn't as good. And the one I was using, they didn't have. So I ended up buying this one. I don't know if it can focus on this. But this is the Gillette Satin Care. It's the ultra sensitive shave gel. And it really, really works. I have minimal razor burn, which is really nice. And I'm in love with this stuff. So, and I like the gel more than I like just plain shaving cream, because I feel like you use less product when it's the gel stuff, because like the gel obviously turns into shaving cream. So I don't need to use as much, which is nice. But yeah, I just wanted to share this with you. If you guys have any issues with sensitive skin, you may want to try this out and just see if it works for you guys, because it definitely works for me. So I definitely try it out if you have sensitive skin when it comes to shaving. Okay, and then last but not least is this like tanning lotion. So I used it the last 2 times that we went swimming, and I actually got a really nice tan from it. So this is just stuff like it's sunscreen, but this is only 4 SPF. So you're still protecting yourself from the sun, but you're still kind of getting that tan. I personally am not terribly afraid of the sun. I like to have a tan, and I don't like to do self-tanner because I feel like that's just a mess, and I don't want to play around with the messy game. So I did get this, which is the Hawaiian Tropic Island Tanning Lotion Sunscreen. It says cocoa butter, nourishes skin, and enhances your tan. Fast absorbent, and it's water resistant up to 80 minutes. So if you're looking for a tanning lotion that like you put on as like a sunscreen, and then you know, to kind of help with your tanning situation, I would go with this. It's obviously smells like vacation. And it's just great. I mean, they do make one that are like higher SPFs. If you're, you know, more concerned and you need a higher SPF, you know, definitely wear sunscreen. Obviously, I don't tend to wear sunscreen on my lips, but now I am going to start doing that. I need to find some sort of like lip balm or something that I can put on my lips. Definitely gonna go try and figure that out because I don't want to put sunscreen on my lips all the time. I want like a lip balm or something that I can use. So I'm gonna try to do that. But yeah, this was really great. I used it twice and I've given it a pretty decent tan now. I like a good tan, especially in the summertime. I know it's something that I can actually achieve by, you know, something like this, or, you know, just laying out or whatever. And that's one of my favorite things to do, is to lay out, especially when we go swimming. I'm not the biggest swimmer. I usually like to wade in the water and lay in a chair or on a towel and just kind of suntan. That's just what I enjoy doing, and I love getting a tan. But alright guys, that is all for my favorites that I have been recently enjoying. I'm pretty sure I have some other ones, but this is just what I could like come up, you know, think of and come up on the spot. Sorry, I was like looking at my bathroom seeing if there was anything else that I could show you, but there isn't. So again, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I really hope that you're okay with this little sit down favorites video. I know it's not everybody's favorite, and I know that most of the time my cleaning content is what everyone wants, but I do promise, I pinky promise that next Thursday, I'm gonna look at the calendar. What is next Thursday? Let's see. Next Thursday, the 1st of July, there will be a cleaning video on my channel. Because I know, I mean, last week's video was just, I don't even know what happened there. I've just been so all over the place that I was just like, okay, well, I'm gonna upload this 2-minute video. So, yeah. But yeah, this is what I was able to get up for you guys this week. And I really hope again hope that you enjoyed this video. And I don't know what else to say. I feel like I've been rambling. According to my camera, I've been rambling for like 24 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna go get this video edited and uploaded for you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!